Hold on to your butt.
Well, I pulled out of Blackfoot, rolling down the eastern Snake Plain. I got my diesels wound up and they're running like never before. I got new tires on the grader, alright, even though the fit was a little bit tight. 6 days on this road and I'm gonna make a video tonight. I got me 2 big rigids and an 88 oversized. I'm checking for rattlesnakes and my eyes are open wide. Working from dawn to last light, only sagebrush in sight. 6 days on this road and I'm gonna make a video tonight. Well, it seems like 2 months since I told my viewers goodbye. I could have had a lot of jobs, but I'm not like some other guys. Gonna pack those cinders real tight, that count on Jpaydirt to do it right. 6 days on this road and I'm gonna make a video tonight. The 35Cs are working on down the line. They're a little overweight and we're all getting sore behind. But nothing bothers me tonight. I can grade all those stitches just right. 6 days on this road and I'm gonna make a video tonight. Well, my rig's a little old, but that don't mean they're slow. The flames coming from the stacks and the smoke's rolling black as coal. Payday's coming in sight. If you think I'm happy or right, 6 days on this road and I'm gonna make a video tonight. 6 days on this road and I'm gonna make a video tonight. 6 days on this road and I'm gonna make a video tonight.